Hello. Python is free software, and it would be better if you could run it on a free software platform like GNU Linux. But in case if you are stuck with a proprietary OS, then this video explains how to install Python on it. So here we have opened the browser and going to the site python.org. So here you find the downloads, and in downloads you go and choose the Windows tab. Then scroll down, you will find the options like the 64-bit executable installer, and here there is a 32-bit. So you click on this to install. Suppose it depends on what is your OS. Most of the time it would be 64. So click on this, and then be asked to save this file. So you save this file, and after that we can open the folder. Say open the folder. You can see already this file is here. Actually we downloaded it twice, that's why this one coming here. So now just click on this. Say double click will start running the installer. So you go for the customize installation, choose this one. So you put documentation pip and say IDE Python suite file launcher. So we all are ticked, so we are going by the default. Say next. So here we just add this add Python to the environment variable. One more option may be better to add, then say install. Say yes. So Python is now getting installed. May take some time. I can pause the video for a while. So installation is over. We close this, and now we can come to this main menu, and here you can start Python. Say Python this, you use this idle IDE. So use idle, and idle will start. So here you can just give Python commands. Also you can open a new file and type the program inside that. Then you save that, save as some file name. So file name you should always give a .py extension, .py, save, and you can run it from here, run the module. So output will come in the other window. There are two windows. You can see this, our file window is there, and this is the command window. So this is one way, and now we need one more things to be installed, that is the plotting library and the NumPy. So for that we need a command prompt. So you type the command prompt. So we get the command prompt, and let us run it as administrator. Command prompt. Yes. So here you say pip install Python, pip install matplotlib. So this will bring matplotlib plotting library, and it depends on NumPy, so NumPy also will be brought in. See, it is bringing NumPy as well. After this we will test it with a small program. By the time it does it, probably we can go to our idle hello.py window and start writing some program, say from pylab import everything, then say plot this is just to check whether matplotlib is installed or not. We have to wait until it is installed, then we will run this code. So let us run this. Saved. Okay, so this matplotlib, numpy, everything is working fine. So now you have one more option. Rather than using this idle, there is another IDE. We can install that as well. So that name is, that's called Geany. So you go to www.geany.org and here we can download, say download releases. Here you find Windows, say this one 3.1.1 setup.exe. You save that and then you go to view downloads. So our Geany setup is here. Double click on that, say again yes here. So Geany setup, I think we tried it twice. Let us see. Okay, here setup. Geany is free software distributed under GNU GPL, and say next. Install. So this will install the Geany IDE. So you will have a choice either to use this idle or Geany. That's up to you which one to use. So let the Geany installation finish. So we will close this idle windows. And this also we don't need now. So Geany shortcut is here. So from here we will start Geany. So this is the Geany IDE, and here you can say write the code print hello, and you have to save it, give some name, say hello.py, and let it go into say this home directory or desktop, wherever it is. Save, and then you can run it. Say build, execute, F5 is the key. So it opens a terminal and runs it. So when you press enter in this, that terminal, okay, you have to close it from here. So these two IDEs are there, and so using GNU Linux, they will be using Geany IDE. And there is an added advantage when you use that in Linux. Instead of that pop-up, you can put all the outputs here itself, but in Windows Geany it is not possible. So this is all about setting up the tools required for learning Python under Windows environment.